In this step-by-step tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a TikTok call to action like this for all your videos. Let's go. So now that we got the green screen, what we're going to do is open any video editing app you need or want to use. VN, I use VN or CapCut sometimes. Some people use Premiere Pro. And we're going to change the dimension settings to 9:16 and get a picture of yourself or whoever you want to. You're going to do this for a client and put that picture in the first layer. And then what you're going to want to do is get the green screen layer, put it here. So now what we're going to want to do is you're going to have to kind of trim this up a little bit because it kind of plays twice. So we play this, it plays twice. So I kind of only want it to play one time only. So I'm going to drag this all the way to the end, see where it stops first time, and cut right here. There for that layer, and cut there for that layer, and delete these two here. Delete, delete. And then drag this all the way to the end so you have both. So now, if you look in the beginning of this video, it's not trimmed up properly. So we're going to trim this up a little bit. So it starts at the beginning, all the way to the end. Drag this out a little bit. So now it goes like this, one time. Okay, now what I was saying about the blue and the green, this is what we're going to do. We're going to get the chroma key for this layer, chroma. And we're going to click on the blue, and what that does is reveal the back layer. So what you want to do when we have this one time now is adjust this layer here, and we can drag this in and like move it up so it can center it. Now we can play it one time. Okay, so this layer still has the music on, so what we can do now, we can extract the audio, delete that audio, and now we can go back, play one time. There you go. So now what we're going to do is usually we have, or people want to do a click sound effect, and I don't have any effects right now. So now we can go back, put this position, play button to the beginning, grab the sound effect, put it in the music sound effect layer, and now we can play it one time. See? And then we have the green screen. We can actually drag this out as well. Okay, it only goes up to there. So now we play it again, and there you go. You have your green screen. So what you're gonna do is you wanna export this green screen. I have 4K by 60, but you could have anything you wanna have. Export. And we're gonna wait for this to export. So now that we have our green screen export, we can go into a new project, go to the TikTok dimensions, set that to the TikTok dimensions, drag the green screen into your stocks, and then, okay, I'm gonna just use this dummy video here, play this. So I'm going to drag this back out, and we're going to get your green screen, and we're going to go onto the second layer again. Okay. This thing just misbehaves sometimes. Now you have your green screen. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get this chroma key again, and this is the difference between the blue and the green. We're going to click this plus out into the green this time. There you go. You have that, and now you can resize this as small as you want. Usually I get it as like to this kind of size. So it's like off in the corner if I'm speaking. And we can play it right now. And there you go. There you have the green screen TikTok, and you can use this for, also you can use this for Instagram, YouTube, anything you want to use it for. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.